welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're back into our entrance. Well, no, this is not an entrance. Okay, this is the veranda that is going towards the big open garden, and we're gonna be building it as don't know if we really explained, but we're gonna be making this into a brand new lounge area, so you can sit on a couch here and enjoy your cup of tea and watch the beautiful nature outside and chickens screaming. So yeah, we gotta keep going and tear it more down. So we're gonna be starting off by taking the ceiling out, then we're gonna take the door frame and all these frames, and as I can see here, all of this is sitting just simply on the frame, so all of that's gonna be collapsing down. Same with the door, same with the other window. Maybe the small window is the only one that's not gonna collapse anything down. And if those things collapse down, probably a lot of other walls will become unstable. So we are gonna start with the door, that's why, and put supports so we can hold up the roof, just so we don't break it, because if it falls down, then we need to rebuild it from scratch, and I really don't feel like it, because actually seeing it through this hole, it's perfectly fine, it can stay. So let's get started. Rip off all this wood. We're gonna be reusing it. Most of it looks in good condition, just needs a bit of planing, and it can be back into being used for some barn or something else. And this video is sponsored by Gentle Bonds, more on them later. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, we are done with the ceiling. Well, only 2 woods left, but those are holding on by the walls. So we're gonna leave them for now. And before we continue on and keep ripping the walls down, we're gonna thank today's sponsor, which is Gentle Bands. We have worked with them before, and they sent me again an amazing ring. So let's have a look what ring they sent me. You also have an option to get this an amazing chain, which is stainless steel, so it lets you wear it around your neck as a necklace if you choose so you don't have to have it on your finger all the time while working. It's probably pretty dangerous. I mean, I wouldn't recommend wearing chains in most working conditions either, but it's an option, and I think this looks pretty cool as a necklace as well. So I chose a ring with tungsten, whiskey barrel again, last time was again with whiskey barrel, and 18 karat gold. I really love the style. There's so many styles you can choose from to fit your style, and it's a perfect gift for any upcoming event. And make sure you check out the link in the description and use code DOBEDIF, which we're gonna put on the screen and in the description, and to get 25% off. And you can personalize the ring even further by getting a custom engraving. Last time on the ring I engraved the date when we first arrived here in this house, and this time I guess I could have put the date of our marriage, but I put the word Desi because I love her. So that's it. That's all.
It was pretty cute when you unboxed it.
Yeah.
I saw it. Was nice.
Thanks again for Gentle Bands for sponsoring this video. Let's get on with ripping the rest of it.
Whoa.
I missed for special effects. What?
It's Johnny! I can't see you. Ew, what was that?
And they're gonna giggle. No.
Uh-oh. Okay. Just run. Okay. Perfect. So Gator wanted to come outside because she hears us knocking from inside and she was barking. So I let her, but I will take her away once we are getting more crazy over there. No, Katie, no. Nothing bad, Gator, nothing. All good. We're all good. Kate, I think you need to go back inside now that you have seen what we're doing. It's not safe.
The top part's gonna come to me, that's gonna go out.
It's moving the whole wood on top.
I would rather prepare, put a rope and pull it maybe. Can we do that instead?
We could. Safe, no one got hurt.
Yeah.
Pretty
Better
good.
be safe than sorry.
All good.
So it's all ripped out, open plan now, and we just have these two side columns sitting. They are gonna come down. As you can see, they're all cracked. They're definitely not gonna be able to hold anything. Some of you might be worrying, why are we destroying such a nice structure maybe? But structurally this thing is not very strong. Of course it's able to hold up this roof fine, but we don't want to build on something that is this bad. So rather just take it from scratch, and also this is not insulated, and to add insulation we are gonna extend this thing quite deeply inside or outside. So no reason to do that, so rather just rebuild it to the way we want it, to design it exactly how we want to. So and then we don't need to worry about any cracks in the walls or things falling apart. The foundation is pretty solid, there's no cracks in the foundation. That is done pretty well, but this thing itself is not. I'd say the foundation probably was way before this thing, and they just redid the walls from these Soviet time bricks. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. In next video we're gonna be doing all this cleaning up. This needs to be cleaned up, but I actually figured out we're gonna be concreting the floors in here, because currently it's just wood on dirt, and we're gonna dig it out quite deep and put these bricks on the very bottom, and then put our actual concrete floor on top. So we're gonna reinforce it and also kind of get rid of them and make our floors not sag so much, because the dirt underneath this floor is probably gonna be very soft. Since I remember from our bedroom, it's really soft. So yeah, we want to kind of have a nice reinforcement, so we don't need to go the floor's very big layer of concrete. And we're going to be probably knocking down this ones as well, but this time we're going to be properly securing all three of those beams, and then we're going to knock these down and properly put corner posts and a beam across to hold all of them, and that's going to actually stay. So we need to kind of go step by step slowly to keep everything up if we want to keep this roof, and we don't want to take it down and rebuild it because it's not needed, and kind of want to get through this project pretty quickly, just because this is going to be the guest room and Despera's mom is coming in a month. So we want to get that door in and get this project nice and beautiful for her. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again to Gentle Bounce for sponsoring this video. Check out the link down below, and we're going to see you next time. Bye bye.
That was a long, long day.
Bye bye.